tell me that you love me, and you roll with those big brown eyes. When I saw you last week, your eyes were shining black. The kind of guy to beat you up, ask him to take you there. Don't throw those buckets out. You and I on the street. I say that you've been crying. Don't know that you've been crying. Don't throw those buckets out. Well, say that my money to make you look real sweet. Oh yeah. I wanna still be proud of you when we walk down the street. Well, I'm starting to press you up, head and inside. I would like to carry in a glass of bottom milk. Some rollers, but your eyes on me. I can tell you're not on the street. It's plain that you're flying. If you know that you've been lying, don't throw those bloodshot eyes on me. Well, I guess a little man that's finally simmered down. You could join a circus, you would make a real good clown. You're out to find a woman, and I'm scared to smell your breath.